Okay, well, now the Clipper is beginning to work its way off to the east. You'll notice it right there, mostly centered across the thumb of Michigan. But for us, we did get about a good 1 to 4 inches across the viewing area. And now some light lake effect snows will set up, but that's not going to be the main factor as we head into the overnight. It will be the winds that look to be very breezy for us, anywhere between 15 to 25 miles per hour, and that will blow all the snow that just fell all around, creating very low visibilities. Let's take a look at our current conditions. We are at 21 degrees, but look at the winds, 20 miles per hour, and we are seeing current wind chills are right around that zero, maybe a few of us above that 0 degree mark and a few of us just below. But let's take a look at temperatures, because that cooler air is beginning to rush its way in. 21 in Marquette, and seeing more of the upper teens in Ontonagon at 18 degrees, 21 in Ironwood, and middle 20s for Florence and down in Menominee. And off to the east, well, not quite as chilly, 27 in Escanaba, 22 in Manistee, and still in the upper 20s as you go closer to the straits over there at Sault Ste. Marie at 29 degrees and St. Ignace at 29. Here's a look at your winds coming in from the north and the northwest. 31 miles per hour in Iron Mountain, while at 9 in Escanaba, and over in Ironwood at 18 miles per hour. And current temperatures across the state, seeing more of those 20s up across the UP. Farther south, seeing more of the mid and upper 30s. And wind chills, hey, well, we are starting to cool off with those as well. 6 degrees in Marquette, 7 in Ironwood, and at 10 in Iron Mountain. Expect those to be possibly in the teens below zero as we head throughout the rest of the evening with the very breezy conditions. But a blast of frigid air, it does arrive as we head into the rest of the night. Much cooler for us as we head into Friday. Highs only going to be in the upper single digits and the lower teens. And as we get closer to the weekend, it looks like the milder air does try to fight its way back in. It's not going to be as successful as what we saw earlier this week, but temperatures do rebound back to the upper teens and the lower 20s on Saturday, as we'll have another weak feature come in with some light snow. It doesn't look to be as powerful as the one that just passed by today. Area of high pressure continues to sink its way southward, bringing down that cool Canadian air. And heading into Friday, we'll continue to see the brisk and the cold conditions, and skies will be partly cloudy for us, so some sunshine in store for us as we go into Friday, but not going to see a lot before more clouds build back in heading into Friday night. Here's a look at your futurecast model. We'll see that the lake effect snows do begin to taper off as we head into the rest of the night. Mostly clear conditions, back to mostly cloudy as we go into the afternoon, and then we'll see that the snow will come in by late tomorrow night heading into early Saturday. Once again, not quite as powerful as the system that just passed by, and we'll only see maybe a quick dusting to an inch as that goes on through. But then much cooler air arrives after that, and we'll really cool off by Sunday and Monday. Tonight, dropping down to 0 degrees. Look at the winds between 10 to 20 miles per hour. Very frigid wind chills as you wake up tomorrow morning. We expect that Arctic burst to come in as temperatures will be in the teens for us. 14 in Lawrence, 18 in Crystal Falls, while we'll be at 15 here in Marquette. Your bust-out forecast, expect 0 degrees as you wake up tomorrow morning. Northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Definitely having to dress in layers and also put on an extra jacket. Upper teens by Saturday for us. Some snow showers and maybe some light snow as we head into Sunday, but look at how things really cool off for us. A high of only 6 on Sunday, 8 by Monday, and it looks like the only day in the next 7-day period that we see after Sunday with teens will be on Tuesday.